bias for today is obviously bullish. I wouldn't be making the same mistake as yesterday. So yeah, we are bullish on daily, and if I take a look at the H4 time frame, it is kinda range bound. I would say we do have this fair value gap, in which currently price is sitting at, reacting bullish from it. And now if I take a look at the daily, in 1 hour, we can see price has taken the liquidity in that fair value gap and at the same time shifted the structure toward bullishness. Now what I want to see is price broke above this one, then retest, and we are ready to go bullish from that one. Now if I take a look at the M15, we can see pretty much power of 3 has formed. Now the question is, will I really execute on this like that one, or will I wait for the typical liquidity and then market structure shift in this session? Then we will be moving toward bullishness. And now let's take a look at the Euro USD on EU. We can see prices almost reaching toward the high and on daily, so bias is obviously bullish. Now if we take a look at the H4 time frame, price is so promising on this one as well. It is moving from that fair value gap, reacting bullishness. Market shift the structure around this one, and if price make any type of retracement, then I would like to see that happen from here on daily. And if I take a look at M15, so yeah, I think the actual move has already happened. Now what I can do is take a liquidity entry from this one. If that happens, such as price taking liquidity, then shift the structure to our upside, and we are ready to go with that. So yeah, there are possibilities that I will get an entry on EU for long, and also at the same time I might not get that because there are CPI news coming in, and that news, if it was positive, then I might miss the move on EU. So yeah, that's the mindset for now. So let's see how it turn out. Okay, so CPI news was positive and price is moving positively toward bullishness as we have planned, but I didn't execute. So if I get something like this, then I would pretty much likely to move with it. Yeah, that's the update on gold. And in EU, I don't think there is anything to talk about in EU because price has just tapped the target, and yeah, that's it. Let's see if I do get anything. So it is weekend 11th of April, and you can see on the gold chart that yesterday I haven't taken any position, even though we do had this power of 3 setup, sweep of liquidity, market structure shift, but I was like still waiting for another liquidity in my session area, but that didn't happen, which is why I didn't take the entry. And if I have taken, then obviously my target would have been around this area or this one, and you can see price didn't reach there, it just reversed from there. I'm currently reacting out of it. So yeah, it was a good day to avoid any trade on gold because there wasn't any for me particularly. And if I take a look at EU has moved very well. By the way, this wasn't this, I haven't taken that one. So on EU, again, same thing. I were waiting for this liquidity to happen, but then I realized that it just moved like this one. This one was the CPI candle, and after that, price retested and moved toward upside. Yeah, I think this is somewhere I missed a trade on EU, but still okay because price didn't hit the final target, which I would have target targeted if I took the entry. Now if I take a look at the another pair, this is NQ, and I know NQ is not in my list, but still I have taken a position in NQ after having this sweep of all the liquidity and then shift the structure with M5, having this fair value gap executed on this area while having the TP around this area. But again, on this one as well, price just reversed from here, and I cut my position around this area with a 0.07% risk. So yeah, that's pretty much it for yesterday. Let's see how next week turn out.